Who did this?
What's going on, guys? Well, I know some of you have been waiting to see what I do with the electronic cutouts. Well, today's the day. Heading to Inman Muffler in Inman, South Carolina this morning to work, see what we got going on with these cutouts. Been waiting to do this for a little while. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I always leave Inman Muffler with a smile anyway, so looking forward to it. But we got some things going on with the queue today as well. Not sure if it's obvious in here, but I raised the front 1/8 of an inch and raised the rear 1/8 of an inch as well. Trying to get a little bit of that, trying to reduce the negative camber a little bit and get the wheels, more straight up and down. But the BC Racing coilovers in the fronts are a pain to adjust now that I've been riding on them for, a couple thousand miles or so. The rears were easy. They rotated pretty well, but the fronts, God, they were tight. I don't know. Man, it hurt my hand. I don't know if I need to remind you guys, but Sunday, May 23rd, 2021 is the last day you can get entered to win the LED Emblem for the Infiniti Q50. I think it's the 2014 to 2017 Infiniti Q50 LED Emblem. It's the white LED around the gloss black emblem from Holisco's carbon fiber. Guys, this is the one I had installed personally on my car for a while. I'll put up some pictures if I can remember to add them here in the video, but looks great. The LED lighting does not bleed onto the grille. I know that's a concern for a lot of people. Again, this is the gloss black front emblem with the gloss black background. Looks great on the car, whether you have the factory grille or you have the gloss black aftermarket grille like I have. It looks really, really good, but I loved this emblem, but I don't need it because I have the color changing LED emblem from Holisco's now. So comes in the box again, just, I want to make sure everybody is aware. This was installed on my car for probably 6 months, so it's not brand new, but it'll work and function properly. And of course, I have the installation video, so if you have any questions about installing it, I'll link that video in the description below. In order to get entered, it's super easy. You want to make it as simple as possible. We have a dedicated giveaway video for this this emblem. It was probably the video posted prior to this one, but go back to the channel, check out the LED Emblem giveaway video. All you have to do is like that video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section below the video letting me know where you're from. And again, you have to do this on that specific video. That gets you entered to win this LED emblem. The drawing is going to be Monday, May 24th, 2021. Last day to get entered is Sunday, May 23rd, 2021. So you got just a couple of days left after this video is posted. Midnight, Sunday, 11:59. Sunday, May 23rd. Really good way to set your car off, make it look a little bit different than all the other cars out there. Cool little addition, easy to install, and it looks awesome. Well, back to these electronic cutouts. My wife wants me to stop messing with exhaust systems. She just wants nice, quiet cars, but hey, she married me. Sounds so good, you might be saying. Why would you ever want to change that tone? The bore, the flow effects resonators, the whole thing as a system sounds so good. Why would you want to change it with some electric cutouts? Well, so there's a perfect section, what I would consider a perfect straight section here, just in front of the final muffler. So there's some large resonators under here, and then it's like a Y pipe and then a catalytic converter. These are some big resonators, so they do a lot of work on this exhaust system, but the back end mufflers are pretty substantial too, as you can see. So bypassing one of them just here on this straight shot with an electronic cutout, with the turn down right here facing the driver's side, it'll give it a nice little additional growl when you get on it, as long as the cutout is open. So this is a perfect spot to install it here. And I'm actually going to run the cable probably up along this, a couple little zip ties, maybe under the shield. And I found a perfect little grommet. Where are we at here? There's a hole right there with the grommet. I took the grommet out, and I'll show you in the cabin here. It's right here. You can see this is going to be perfect. I'll run the wire right up here under the carpet. I might go that direction and get it on the other side, but we just have to hide the box. Maybe we'll do it just under the seat. That's what I'm thinking about, but nonetheless, we'll be able to get the wire up here, no problem. So there's plenty of wire. There's plenty to reach back here. Plenty left over still in the car. We will be just fine. Obviously, I'm not changing it. Bypassing any resonators on the VQ37 is not recommended, at least in my perspective. The VQ, we know, is a very, very raspy engine, and to eliminate any of the resonators is just kind of a mistake, in my opinion. Follow it all the way along. Got it up and inside this tray here. Little zip tie to the frame rail. And then, you don't even see it. It's a little hole in the grommet. Ever since we got this car for my daughter, she's been begging me to make it sound just a little bit better. Just make it a little bit more throaty, a little deeper sound, a little more aggressive tone. She just wanted it to sound just a touch better. And I know my wife's gonna kill me. I know she's told me to leave the vehicle alone. She wants her to be a girl, right? She doesn't want her car to be nasty and loud. And I don't either. It's a nice car. It's clean. It looks good. It sounds good. We don't want it to be rowdy and obnoxious, but a little cutout that we can do here and there that's remote controlled, that you can close off and have the car sound normal on regular driving situations. But if you want to open it up and be a little ignorant, we can do it. So we got in and out of the muffler shop really quick. They always do good work there. Shout out to Justin, who's done a little bit of work on the Q50 in the past. Actually, he did some of the first sort of preliminary exhaust setups on this car and does really good work. Jeremy was there as well. Again, big shout out to Inman Muffler, just in general. They do a lot of great work. Good guys, car guys at heart as well, so you know they're going to take care of you. We've had a lot of people drive from all over the place to go to Inman to have them install the SCS custom catback system, even from South Florida all the way up to little Inman, South Carolina, which is really awesome. I appreciate you guys, you know, supporting the channel as well as supporting local shops like Inman Muffler. If you guys are even close to the area within a couple-hour driving distance and you need some exhaust work done, Inman Muffler, highly recommended. Check them out on Facebook, check them out on Instagram. Set yourself up an appointment, get the work done. Again, highly recommended. Now, it's time to surprise my daughter. Let her see what this thing sounds like. Let's check out her reaction. Rev it a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, I just don't want to do it drive. Just do it drive.
Does it sound normal? Do it again. Listen. Come here. Push this button right here. Push.
What does this little magic button do?
Push the lock button. Yeah, just wait a second. Now listen. Quiet. Now push the unlock button.
Oh, okay, what does that do?
Nobody was sure what it would sound like with just one electronic cutout, just bypassing one of the mufflers. I knew it would release it a little bit. It would free up a little bit of flow on one side, bypassing one of the big mufflers. I knew it would sound good, but the guys at Inman Muffler were surprised a little bit as well, I think, when I opened it up and revved it just a little bit. Sounds pretty decent. Sounds good on the highway. Still not obnoxious, but a little bit more of an aggressive tone. I think it'll serve its purpose. Very happy with it. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, start it. Oh yeah, sounds good. Do a little rev.
What did you do?
Listen now.
Is this what you and your dad did yesterday?
Quiet. Look at that. Sounds normal. No, stop. Now open it again.
Who did this? Birthday?
Stop wasting good reactions when I'm not filming you.
Well, why would you get her this for her birthday? I said no.
Nice old Monte Carlo. So I was able to completely hide the wire here under this plastic panel. God, we gotta clean this thing up a little bit. But all the wires run underneath the carpet. You can't even see it at all. But the box is tucked in under the carpet under here. The wires actually run up in just above the little vent. It comes back here out the side, and then you have to plug it into a power source, which is right here. So this can easily just be unplugged and set down under the seat, or always be left in the back seat. You know, there's not many passengers that'll ride back here or need this power outlet necessarily. So it's up out of the way, discreet. No one even knows it's there. I'm glad I found this power source back here because I didn't want a bunch of cords or anything being plugged in up there. That looks annoying, especially if you have, you know, something like this sticking out that's useless up here. So pretty pumped on how it turned out. I think she's gonna like this. Well, she loves it. It sounds great. My wife was not happy. I think I calmed her down a little bit, but it sounds good. It was worth it. Her reaction was priceless. Made for a good video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stick around. Don't forget about that giveaway. Make sure you get back to the LED front emblem giveaway video and follow the instructions. Like, subscribe, comment where you're from in the comment section below, and you'll be entered. Giveaway is going to be, we're going to draw on Monday, May 24th, 2021. Giveaway, your chance to enter ends 11:59 p.m. May 23rd. That's Friday, May 23rd, 11:59 p.m. Get your entry in. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your guys' continued support. More stuff coming for the channel. I appreciate it again. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.